Join me on a rainy adventure. We kick things off with a close-up of a white car parked at a meter, followed by a black SUV at a gas station. The empty streets are made even more serene by the power lines and trees a car drives through. Riding through the city on a bike, even in the rain, can be a refreshing experience. There's something special about the quiet, empty streets. A person stands out, looking at the sky, while another checks the view from a bench. A quick stop at the grocery store is a must. Grabbing something from the fridge before heading out again. It's a day filled with small moments, like these. Answering nature's call, and then back to the frisbee game. A ride through the city leads us to a skate park, and then a quick glimpse of the Washington Monument. Flying high over the foggy mountains, the view is simply breathtaking from above. Standing tall on a hill, rain-soaked but beautiful. The view from here is unmatched, especially with a dog nearby. Heading back home, we pass by a group of animals. Taking the stairs with a backpack, it's a journey that ends where it began, with a sigh. Nothing beats the view from a hill overlooking a valley. Sitting on a bench, hands in the air, it's a moment of peace. A walkway leads to an even better view, and then we play frisbee. Our day wraps up with a visit to a small wooden shelter. A quick frisbee game in a field, followed by a ride home on a motorcycle. Wrapping up our day, a quick ride home and another frisbee game. Hope you have an amazing day.